At the beginning, I will show you a few numbers related to the current migration processes within the European Union. According to official statistics, there is nearly 14 million migrants with citizenship of another European country. If we take into consideration all Europeans who were born in one country and now live in a different European country, then the number is more than 17 million of people. That's a very, very high number of people. If we compare these numbers with the populations of European countries, then we realize that there are only 7 European countries with larger populations than the whole number of European migrants within the European Union. There are 22 countries with smaller populations, such a quite big countries like, for example, the Netherlands, Belgium, Greece, Czech Republic, Portugal, Hungary, Sweden, Austria, have smaller number of people living in their countries. So we can easily say that at the beginning of the 21st century, Europeans who are on the move, who live in other European countries, constitute nearly medium-sized European country. Who is on the move? What kind of nationalities are most mobile? It won't be probably a very big surprise when I will tell you that most mobile people in the European Union come from Central and Eastern European countries. The first one are Romanians. There are 2.3 million Romanians who live in other European countries. On the second place are Poles. Nearly 2 million people live in other European countries. But on the third place, there are Italians. Not many less Italians are also dispersed in other European countries. On the fourth place are Britons. More than 1.5 million Britons live in other European countries. And on the fifth place are Germans with 1.5 million people. And which countries are most preferable places of destinations? The first one is Germany, which hosts nearly 4 million people. On the second place is France. On the third is Spain. On the fourth is United Kingdom. And in the fifth is Italy with 1,200,000 people. So I would suggest to you to keep in mind these quite important facts. There are 12 million farmers in the European Union, there are 150,000 fishermen in the European Union, and there are 17,300,000 migrants in the EU. So, as we can see, there are more migrants, people, Europeans who live in other European countries than farmers and fishermen. This is quite important, and we will come back to this issue at the end of this lecture.